Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So let's continue with our SQL interview series preparation. So today we have a question that has been asked before in Zomato interview over the last couple of times. So the query basically says we need to find the most popular restaurant. This is the query. And no, sorry, this is the question. And we have been given two tables, that is the restaurants table and the orders table. Let's go through it thoroughly. In the restaurants table, we have the restaurant ID and the restaurant name. And in the orders table, we have the order ID, restaurant ID, which is the foreign key, and the order date. Now, in the output, we need the restaurant name and the total number of orders. So basically, the restaurant which has got the total number of orders is basically the restaurant which is the most popular one. So that's a quite simple one. I think we have understood the question. Now let's jump to the notepad to see. Okay, so I have already written the script. The same script you will get in the description. I will paste it down. You can try from your end also. Okay, so our main objective is to find the restaurant name and the count of the orders that it has. And based on that, we have to fetch only the top record because we need only the one restaurant, and that restaurant will be the most popular restaurant. Cool. So for that, we will be selecting the things from the two tables. So what are the tables we need? We need the restaurant tables, so we can just simply copy it from here, from restaurants, control V, or let's alias it as R. Then we will be joining the same with the orders table, that is let's alias it as O. And on which column? The restaurant ID is basically the column which is common in both the columns. So R dot we can get R dot restaurant ID is equal to O dot restaurant underscore ID. Perfect. I think there's some spelling mistake. It's better to copy it from here so that you don't get any spelling error. Okay, now what are the columns we need? We need the restaurant name, which is coming from restaurant table R. So R dot restaurant name, we can copy it from the above. Control C, Control V, and we need the count of O dot order ID, and let's alias it as total number of orders, or simply like total underscore orders. Now since we have used the count function, now we'll be using the group by, that is group by r dot restaurant ID. It will be group by r dot restaurant underscore ID, and we will be order by the total number of orders. Order by total number of orders, and last but not the least, it should okay, it should be in descending order. And now we only need one record, so limit 1. Perfect. Okay, now let's copy the whole code. Let's go to our editor. Okay, now let's just paste it. Let's run it. So yeah, we have got the successful output. We have got the restaurant name. The restaurant name is Spice Delight, and it has got the total number of orders as 4 orders. So yeah, this is how you can actually solve this question. Not a difficult question, but this question has been asked in the Zomato interview before, and you can expect to get these kind of questions when you're applying for the data analyst profile, or I can say BI analyst, that is business intelligence analyst profile. And these questions will be asked to you in the initial rounds, not in the later rounds, because it is of a kind of difficulty level of easy level. So make sure to prepare these kind of questions before your interview, and I will come up with more such videos on this topic in the near future. Till then, just subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest update. Thank you guys, have a good day.